About to make a video, woo, woo, woo. About to make a video. If you ain't about that video life, then nigga, you should go for bang bang. What's up? So you're fresh out of high school and college start for your next week or next 2 weeks, right? Well, I got some tips. I got tips on tips on tips. Pay attention. I got some college tips for ya. Going to college is all about preparation, right? You gotta prepare yourself. Tip number 1, prepare yourself for change. Your entire life is going to be flipped and dipped and skipped and a 360. What do I mean by preparing yourself for change? Your eating habits are going to change. And for the girls that can't cook, bitch, you are going to starve. If you can't cook, you either gonna lose weight or you're gonna gain enough weight because you're gonna yam whole heap of fast food. Oh, bitch, you can't cook. This is a fucking problem. And for those girls that love to cook, let me put it nicely. You are going to get heavier. A lot heavier if you cannot manage your eating habits. Believe me. I've seen so many girls go to college and just they swell up. Slim girls with me know in high school just puff up or covering. Shit, what happened to you? What the hell are they feeding you? Helium? Another thing that's going to change is your personality. For some people it might be for the worse and for some it might be for the better. I have seen nerdy dudes from high school become the niggas when I used to hate in high school. I have seen good Christian girls just get nasty. And I fought any and everything. The tun go from virgin to puberty. What I mean? Holy pa niggas pass joy. Holy. Another change that will take place is your mindset. Your mind, the way you think, are gonna change. You will either be more confused about life than ever, or you're gonna have a better understanding of life and people. Especially if you're planning on doing like psychology and philosophy courses. I took one philosophy course first year and shit. Like the people them have me a question if God really exists. Them have me a question if me really exists right now. Like how you looking at me, if you even seeing me for real. Have you ever steady meds when you go to that place? That will switch up some things in your brain or you don't even know about. Tip number 2, yes, you can. What I mean by that? You can know a college student very easy, especially when they're in at the supermarket, because we can. That becomes your slogan when they're at college. We can get the 3.9, 4.0 or the 2.0 GPA. And some people you go lower. And not only can we get the degree, but we can, because that's all we will be eating from. Can. It's when you reach home from classes, it is from the can that you will find satisfaction for your hunger. We can! A tip within a tip. You see, before you got classes a morning time, try to wake up early and cook. Cause trust me, when you go home, you're not going to do nothing else but nyam and go your bed. Especially if you do the medical sciences. Tip number 3. I probably shouldn't give you that tip so early, but may I say, enjoy your college experience. Make sure that whatever you're good if you're going to learn is something where you want to do. It makes going to class like 200% better if it's something where you enjoy learning. Going to college is one of those phases in life, you see, that only a few get to have it. So I'm telling you to enjoy. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. You have to find a balance. You can't just go there and book. For some people it work, but for some of we go there and try that shit and it don't work out. So if you can't find the answer to a problem, you can't write an essay, take a little break, you know what I mean? Go lie a little bit, chill, give your brain a little rest, go play some ball, go a little party or something, and there's always a party. Believe there's always one. Every day of the week. Tip number 4, you want to live on and off campus. You have some people who go to college and they spend the entire 3 or 4 years or 5 years or over long and spend it on campus. You want to live on and off campus. Living on campus, it develops like that sense of community within you and it helps you to live together with other people. Living off campus now, it builds that sense of individuality and it helps you to understand the world from the view that you are supposed to see it from. Paying bills, managing your time and shit like that. Tip within a tip, spend your first year on campus, spend your second year off campus, third year, fourth year, fifth year, do whatever the hell you want with that. Tip number 5, learn to network. While you are at college, it is very important to understand that the pen, the book and the exams are not your only purpose. You go there to interact with other people from all about. Try to know at least one person from each faculty. Life after college is so much better when you have your degree and you know some people they in a certain areas of life. Because we all know it. We all know see our links around this thing. We know that, right? So make sure you network. I mean, not say if you use people, but network. That means say you have to bring something to the table too. Nobody come with your done said self. Just want to live off other people and everything. And it's also good, you know what I mean? You can form like inter-faculty networks, out-of-faculty networks, inter-faculty networks, you know what I mean? For the people that in your faculty, help if you understand certain courses and shit like that. And it's good for you when you're studying and going to the library and all type of rascal. This video might have not been funny, but I hope it was very helpful towards you and you preparing yourself for college next week or week after that. And if this video was helpful, please share the goddamn video. You think some of the video after those people just watch and go, yo, share the damn video. You take this one. Eh? Like the video, share the video with some of your peoples them when I go to college. And that's all the tips I have for now. Oh, someone might see me on campus. You see me, don't run in. I joke, man. I joke. Yo, big up the UE people them. Big up the UTech people them. You see what I say? Big up the people them who gone to foreign, go to college and all type of sitting. Enjoy your college experience, man. Before you quit it and just and then be in the world of work where you want to kill your damn boss. Until then, man. Later, better see you.
Yes, man.